Kira. Go in a circle. Look at you, girl. Hey. Kira. Where are you going? Look at you. Scooting around in a circle. You're coloring? I'm glad that's not a marker. Would I be in trouble if that was a marker? Hi. Oh, what are you going to do? And try to pull yourself up? I know you want to stand, don't you? I know. It's hard. You're going to get it soon, though. You want my help? You want my help to stand up? Huh? Yeah? Okay. Oh, back to coloring. All right. Okay, little girl. Hi.